In the beginning there was innocence, but even in paradise, betrayal can take root.
Adam, look, a beautiful fruit. I wonder what it tastes like.
Eve, God told us not to eat from that tree. It is forbidden.
A serpent slithers into view, its eyes gleaming with deceit.
Did God really say you must not eat from any tree in the garden?
We may eat fruit from the trees in the garden, but God did say, you must not eat fruit from the tree that is in the middle of the garden, and you must not touch it, or you will die.
You will certainly not die. God knows that when you eat from it, your eyes will be opened, and you will be like God, knowing good and evil.
Eve, tempted, plucks the fruit. The first betrayal. Jealousy breeds betrayal. Cain harbors resentment towards his brother, Abel.
Why does God always favor Abel's offerings?
Perhaps because I offer the best of what I have, Cain, not just what's left over.
Cain's anger boils over. He raises his hand against his brother.
I hate you.
And Cain killed Abel. A brother's blood stains the ground. The story of Joseph, sold into slavery by his own brothers, driven by envy and deceit. We can't let him inherit everything. Father favors him too much. What if we sell him? To the traders heading to Egypt. They tear Joseph's coat, dipping it in goat's blood. A father deceived, a son betrayed.
My son, Joseph, he's gone.
King David, a man after God's own heart, succumbs to temptation, a betrayal of trust and duty. Uriah must be sent to the front lines, where the fighting is fiercest.
As you command, my king.
Uriah unknowingly carries his own death warrant, a loyal servant sacrificed for a king's desires. Samson, mighty warrior, betrayed by the woman he loved, Delilah. His strength stolen, his spirit broken. Tell me, Samson, what is the secret of your great strength? If I were bound with 7 fresh thongs that have not been dried, I would become as weak as any other man. 3 times she asks, 3 times she tests him, each lie bringing him closer to his doom. How can you say, I love you, when you won't confide in me? If my head were shaved, my strength would leave me, and I would become as weak as any other man. She shaves his head. The Philistines capture him. A nation's hero brought low by betrayal, the ultimate betrayal. Jesus, surrounded by his followers, knows one will betray him. Truly I tell you, one of you will betray me. Surely not I, Lord. The one who has dipped his hand into the bowl with me will betray me. Judas accepts the bread from Jesus. The price of betrayal is set, 30 pieces of silver. Surely not I, Rabbi. You have said so. In the garden, Jesus prays, knowing his fate. Judas arrives to seal his betrayal.